communicate has evolved significantly over the years. From instant messaging to video calls, technology has continuously transformed how we connect with each other. In order to streamline their free consumer communications offerings so they can more easily adapt to customer needs, Microsoft will be retiring Skype in May 2025 to focus on Microsoft Teams, their modern communications and collaboration hub. With Teams, users have access to many of the same core features they use in Skype, such as one-on-one calls and group calls, messaging, and file sharing. Additionally, Teams offers enhanced features like hosting meetings, managing calendars, and building and joining communities for free. Hundreds of millions of people already use Teams as their hub for teamwork, helping them stay connected and engaged at work, school, and at home. In the past 2 years, the number of minutes spent in meetings by consumer users of Teams has grown 4x, reflecting the value Teams brings to everyday communication and collaboration. As they take this next step with Teams, they are excited about the opportunities ahead. The CEO said, "We look forward to continuing to support people's everyday connections, starting by making it easy to log into Teams with their Skype account." What's next for Skype users? During this transition period, users have a choice to move to Microsoft Teams for free. Over the coming days, they will roll out the ability for Skype users to sign into Teams on any supported device using their Skype credentials, starting today with those who are part of both the Teams and Skype Insider programs. By logging into Teams with a Skype account, chats and contacts will automatically appear in the app so you can quickly pick up where you left off. During the transition period, Teams users can call and chat with Skype users and Skype users can do the same with Teams users. This helps ensure you can stay connected with everyone, regardless of the platform you're using during this transition. Or users can export their Skype data. If you prefer not to migrate to Teams, you can instead export your data including chats, contacts, and call history. Skype will remain available until May 5, 2025, giving users time to explore Teams and decide on the option that works best for them. Moving forward, they will no longer offer paid Skype features to new customers, including Skype credit and subscriptions that allow you to make and receive international and domestic calls. Current Skype subscription users can continue to use their Skype credits and subscriptions until the end of their next renewal period. Skype credit users can also continue to use their remaining Skype credit. After May 5, 2025, the Skype dial pad will be available to remaining paid users from the Skype web portal and within Teams. Stay tuned for more updates.